Welcome back to CarWow 787, the channel where you get the hottest, rarest, and most unexpected automotive reveals from around the world. If you're someone who loves cars that break the rules, redesign history, and bring back legendary icons with a modern twist, then you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, because today we have something so unique, so nostalgic, and so insane that the car world wasn't even ready for it. This is the all-new Volkswagen Beetle Vintage Pickup 2026. Yes, you heard that right. Volkswagen has taken one of the most iconic cars of all time and transformed it into a modern retro pickup that blends classic charm with futuristic engineering. Let's dive straight into the full detailed experience. The Volkswagen Beetle is a legend, an icon that captured hearts for generations. It's known for its friendly shape, its simplicity, and its unmistakable silhouette. But in 2026, Volkswagen decided to take a bold step. They reimagined this retro classic into something the world never expected, a compact lifestyle pickup built for fun, adventure, and personality. What you get is a vehicle that looks nostalgic but performs like a modern machine. The design of the 2026 Beetle pickup is absolutely stunning. Volkswagen preserved the original Beetle's rounded fenders, the smiling front fascia, and the signature dome-like roofline, but they stretched the rear into a smooth utility bed that blends seamlessly with the classic curves. The front headlights are now LED circles with a glowing ring that pays tribute to the old-school Beetle eyes but gives the car a futuristic, premium look. The front bumper is compact and clean, and the classic hood lines remain untouched, which is a refreshing reminder of where this vehicle originated. The rear bed is crafted with a perfect balance between function and style. It's not huge like a traditional pickup, but it's perfect for recreational use, carrying bikes, surfboards, camping gear, or daily essentials. Volkswagen added a retro-style tailgate with hidden modern hinges, and the taillights are small oval LEDs that recreate the nostalgic Beetle look. The bed floor can open to reveal hidden storage compartments, making it surprisingly practical. The entire vehicle feels like it was designed for people who live a fun, adventurous lifestyle, not for heavy-duty work. The color options give this car even more character. You get pastel blues, bright yellows, creamy whites, retro greens, and even a burnt orange inspired by vintage Beetles from the 60s and 70s. Each color adds to the retro personality, and the optional two-tone designs make it stand out even more. Chrome accents, rounded mirrors, and white wall-inspired tires complete the nostalgic theme. Let's talk interior. Inside the Beetle Vintage Pickup 2026, Volkswagen blends simplicity with stylish modern comfort. The cabin has a retro design language with circular elements everywhere, including the air vents, the infotainment frame, and the digital gauge display. The dashboard has body-colored panels, giving it a warm, classic appearance, while soft-touch materials give it a premium feel. The steering wheel is a modern reinterpretation of the original Beetle wheel, complete with a thin rim, chrome touches, and a minimalist design that instantly triggers nostalgia. The infotainment setup includes a floating touchscreen with all the modern features, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, real-time navigation, and Volkswagen's latest voice assistant. The digital instrument cluster behind the wheel still maintains a retro look, with circular dials and retro-inspired digital animations. The seats are one of the standout features. You get soft, retro-style upholstery with stitching inspired by the classic Beetle, combined with modern cushioning for long drive comfort. Two-tone interiors are available to match the exterior colors. Volkswagen even added optional wooden trim accents and chrome knobs for that fully authentic vintage feel. It's a perfect combination of the past and present. Now let's talk performance. The Volkswagen Beetle Vintage Pickup 2026 comes with a mix of power options. You get a small turbocharged petrol engine that delivers smooth performance and excellent efficiency. But the real highlight is the fully electric version. Volkswagen has designed an EV variant that delivers instant torque, silent driving, and a range that can comfortably reach over 250 miles on a single charge. This makes the Beetle pickup not just stylish but also practical and environmentally friendly. The suspension has been tuned for comfort. It's not designed as a work truck but as an urban cruiser, perfect for weekend road trips, city driving, and light adventures. The steering is responsive, the ride is smooth, and the handling gives you a sense of confidence thanks to Volkswagen's lightweight platform. There's also an optional AWD system for those who want more traction and off-road capability. Safety features are all modern, as expected from a 2026 vehicle. You get automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, parking sensors, and a high-resolution 360-degree camera system. Despite its retro appearance, this car is packed with the latest technology to keep you safe on the road. The driving experience is where the Beetle pickup truly shines. It has that cheerful, exciting vibe that made the original Beetle so popular. You feel connected to the road, you feel the personality of the car, and you feel the uniqueness it brings. Everywhere you go, people look at it. It's not just a vehicle, it's a conversation starter. Whether you're pulling up to a beach, a cafe, or a parking lot, somebody will stop to ask about it. Volkswagen designed this car for people who want personality. It's not about size, it's not about power, and it's not about hauling heavy materials. It's about fun. It's about freedom. It's about expressing yourself. And in 2026, the Beetle pickup does exactly that. It brings a classic icon into a new era without losing its original soul. Pricing hasn't been officially confirmed, but estimates suggest that the Beetle pickup will be positioned as a lifestyle vehicle, affordable, stylish, and accessible. This makes it perfect for younger drivers, collectors, and anyone who wants something special and nostalgic on the road. Before we wrap up, let's talk about why this vehicle is so important. It's not just another model. It represents a shift in automotive culture, bringing the past back in a modern and meaningful way. Volkswagen doesn't just sell a car here, they sell a memory, a personality, a lifestyle. And the Beetle pickup proves that classics can evolve with time without losing the magic that made them unforgettable. Thank you all for watching CarWow 787. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the Volkswagen Beetle Vintage Pickup 2026, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe for more amazing new car reveals, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest automotive updates. We bring you the newest models, rare concepts, futuristic designs, and everything in between. Your support helps us continue delivering the best car content on YouTube. See you in the next video, only on CarWow 787.